Hi, it's Sherry, and I want to talk to you today, very briefly, about people pleasing. It's Sherry. Okay, so let's talk about people pleasing today. Let's talk about why we do it, why we really shouldn't do it, and how we can really transform this into something else. Briefly. We might not get to all of that, but we'll see what we do. Okay, so I know I'm such a goof. So we are talking about people pleasing, and people pleasing is that incredible need and desire to make other people happy, whether it is at our happiness's expense, our health's expense, our financial situation, our living situation. People who are people pleasers tend to give away everything in order to make other people happy. We're giving away all of our power. Not me personally anymore. I used to be a people pleaser, but I'm not anymore. Thank goodness, because people pleasing can really, really destroy you. And it can actually destroy your relationships too, because when you're people pleasing that hard, you end up resenting it. Even if you don't in the moment, you do end up resenting the other person for putting you in that position. And you resent yourself. People pleasing is a disease that causes self-hatred. It causes your self-confidence to go in the tank. It causes your self-esteem to go in the tank. It causes your self-love to go in the tank. It causes all of your senses of self to drop away, to become less important than making the other person or all of the other people in your lives important. And here's why we do it. We generally are people pleasers because we believe that that's the path to being loved and accepted by other people. I'm here to tell you that that's a big fat lie, and you need to stop believing it. You really, really need to stop believing this one. Trust me on this. It's a big fat lie. It is not the way to get anything. It is the way, it's the way to get self-hatred, self-loathing, low self-esteem, absolutely no self-confidence. It's the way to get basically the worst sense of self humanly possible. If you really, really, really want to dislike yourself a lot, stay being a people pleaser, because I promise you, it might not happen today, it might not happen tomorrow, but at some point you're going to resent not only other people, but yourself as well for not being strong enough to say no. And trust me when I say that rock bottom freaking sucks. It freaking sucks. When you have hit that point, it is really, really hard to come back from. If you don't stop right now, right in this moment, and never do it again, you are going to hate your life. Period. I can sugarcoat it, but at the end of the day, that's what's actually going to happen. You're going to hate your life. And you don't want to hate your life. You want to like your life. You want to think, you know what? This is pretty awesome. You don't want to think, just kill me now. Just kill me now. I have been there. You can tell that I've been there because it's so easy to slip back into that feeling, that moment in your brain. But when you stop, you're so much more confident and so much more comfortable in your skin. And that ability to people please kind of goes away. You're not tied to what other people think of you anymore. And that is so incredibly freeing. It really is. When you're no longer required, because of whatever wiring is going on in your brain, to make other people the priority at all times, you are much more likely to feel more confident, more secure, and more happy within yourself. And that allows you to move forward. Now, really the only way to stop being a people pleaser, it's only just one way: boundaries. You have to have healthy, strong boundaries. So stick around for tomorrow where we will talk about boundaries. We'll talk soon. Bye.